We're now tuned into Reporting Live Ngakini on radiodr.co.za. Holla back, 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 holla reporting, holla dog, holla Ngakini, holla holla back, when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back, when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back, when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back, when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, I was at temperature proud to the party, woke up now it's fucked. We too deep out of the bucket, had people they thought we were nuts. I told them diversify, still got the same supply, but we got a new supply. JB intensify, heard copy on Spotify. Wait, there I go rapping about rap again. Let's bring it back to the people, man. Okay, wake up and thank, wake up and bake, wake up and thank God for the day, back in the day. You know my story, you hate a day. Never gon' change, I'm lying, I'm praying for change. Pray for the weak, pray for the streets, pray for the peace, work for the guap, they waiting for me. Pull up again, blow on my cheek, slice of tea, dudes on my seat, artists in lounge, pull up a mash. I'm moving silence, blowing it loud, the rumors are true, we the hottest right now. Holla back, when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back, when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back, when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back, when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back.
Waphinde wabuya nonkotha umlazi kubeka on top ngiphosta ngidlela ihot dog ama-wings elokishini ngiyayifaka i-support ingane seyifuna ama-crook ama-kids abo-driver abafana be-uber ngithatha nokubheka kuyabhuja warula amabhuja asekhuluma inyukla vukuzikasi ngilibeke emephini ngikutshele efesini mungizela ngobuqili bovala ikhethini mawubona lo mjida ngakini uzobheda isizini usebula ividiyo ngabeba ama-crook akwadansa nedusha ngayifaka kwimida nabantu bancane buza kwezakho lokho kukodwa kuyakhawunta ngiyabala neminyaka iyahamba futhi u-okuzoza ukukhafula itime akuphendula itrans impilo yestrati dala unakanye uzobhubha amabradi uzoguga isibhaxo uzenza usazana uzodileka lapho mangishisa amahlathi nquma ukhanjani mangibhala ama-runs bheka ilokishi kwi-google map usearch ungabhela i-round enazi
back when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back, holla back, holla back, holla yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back, holla back,
yeah. Holla back, Sfagi J-Sec on the map, Sfagi Bora Bora on the map, put them last wonk on the map. Monga twali bati pumupet, umutwelu katunga tsetegi sosi ngango baba like with duffel bag itwelu baba vet. Motherfucker, I'm as dope as that. Bars like a pure kilogram. Chris Tucker when I hear you rap. Rush hour when you make a track. Asiko lapo wata kululek, kshaipa tumunga pumelek. Yeah, I said it. Holla back, reporting live, Ngakini, NUZ, where I'm at. Ailungi parila empagatin. Funi mali busuku nasemini, funi ingane mngela ufaka ushintsho, funi white noma ufuna pink, funi guide noma ufuna 6, funi chrome noma ufuna nick, funi party noma ufuna mina, mefuna mina angangithola. Picnic siyojol, mhlanga beach siyophola, slami singos noqonqa, money talk siyamona, mele ngizama ifraud for $1, thola ithenda noma elodwa, thola udladla umoja, thola ibenz ngiyoyiclock, summertime siyoyithola, campsite ne-vodka, slala phansi amasosha, counting stars in the dawn, so holla back when I'm on, all facts that's on, can't relax on the song now, trying to sell a plat, bring it home now, the whole team hitting home runs, working all week like Ngotcha, all week but we're stronger, as a team Barcelona, nifike thina ngishayikhona ni offside niyayibona VAR ungayithola but your time's up game over to 10-1 to izonja u10 min uyangibona Lionel Barcelona ngifike la ngathola free kick which a new pay ngayikora 2 days ngamcross VAR ungayithola but your time's up game over
Reporting live Ngakini, it's your boy MJ holding it down, sponsored by all over. I got my co-hosts, my player partners, my brothers, my loved ones. Shout out to Bonko Meshente, shout out to Intoms all over, shout out to Okoko.
God.
I got my co-hosts, I got AK, I got your boy Slow Along, person who's small. Holding it down again. The episode is sponsored the show all over.
Reporting live
again. Shout out to CLO Radio DR. It's a celebration as of December. So I'm not saying that come on Mubani. Nami.
Kufanele nje ngekerki. Ngiyothanda nje.
Ngikachiwe nami.
Ukachiwe.
Hayi ke khuleka usovuka usovuka mfethu.
Sponsored by all over, holding it down. Reporting live.
Asikhale esontweni.
Except bese ngomhla 30 November khona event ezoshaya kuthiwa isummertime eMlazi, sponsored by all over Ngakini eMlazi yampithe so shout out to the conjunction, shout out to Ulungelo, shout out to everybody that we're talking to be a part of it. So zobe kuphila manje kade Ulungelo came to me with the concept ngale ndlela ebencane ngayo summertime eMlazi playlist. He wanted to do an event for us. And so I want everybody who was a part of that project to perform their shits like even if it's not necessarily every track in the project, but those songs that are like highlights or open the safe or swimming pool in or I just want to get lit, or facts in face, or shout out to Nzukuluma Nulungelo, let's perform it Desire, Tokami, let's go to South Africa.
So for me 2.1.
Super showcase, so shy facts in the city. Say facts. Yeah. Originally on Summertime Mlazi, now we got the 2.0. I think it's gonna be the first single from the new Summertime Mlazi playlist. And we're gonna.
You were struggling to pick a single, so decided.
Yeah, for sec. In fact, it's a dope project, but I don't want to put it on ESCA 2, bro. Sure. That's me like following Condile, bro. Like.
Hey, get rap for the man. I get man. Hey, get what is yeah, bro. That's not she poor man.
Chele la futhi amantombazane bese aqepheze bese
family
alone.
Better Denzel no Tom Cruise, talk up no Brad Pitt, it's George Clooney first. Yeah, dog. Flight 30 November, so we pay them first Ngakini. Backwoods, sponsored by MJ. As now every event we do, check out the Backwoods. J standard, with blunts.
I want and J peel for free, sponsored by all of our colleagues. When I come through 420, I want J the whole time. Never honk. Holding it down, but yeah, back to the Summertime last. So part 2 is coming in that ass. We gonna drop that shit, boom, yeah. Slow and first shy video, festive season,
okay. I think we should launch the single entire date for the Summertime last. Okay.
First video, if festive season is a shy corner.
Sure.
Shark corner, but so shark corner, so shark corner.
So shark corner, but
Vunu busy walk on my ex ako to come. I think.
bayangizonda labo.
facts about facts.
Wangabuke esontweni mhlobo lo. Wangabuke esontweni yini?
Bese yazawazi la amantombazane bese yabo
Cha ukuthi ngisangathi khona iproposal ekhona la yabo. Yeah, ukuthi khona umzali kusamele ayekere kiphethe nje 2.
Vele le show
vele le show irresponsible by uNkulunkulu le show le. Thina sibonga uJehova kule show mfethu mina yabo mina ngisazoba upastor. Ngisazoba upastor dog yami nje ngiyaqala manje i-reporting live ngakini. Church Sunday special. Sunday special on angithi ukhanyiwe esikushaya Sunday service. Ushaya Monday service.
Lesibamba lesibheke eceleni.
Esibamba lesibheke.
Jesus is King in soundtrack.
I-soundtrack bese kule podcast le.
Uyilaleleni?
No, ngayilaleli bengizolaleli ngesonto masami. Bese ngiyekerke. Ubesela nsonto bafethu yabo nje shout out to bonke labo Bay. Tseliki lobuza bayikerke mfethu amdinga uNkulunkulu.
Oh, Jay, man.
Yamdinga uNkulunkulu mfethu. Yabo God yamdinga mfethu. Yamdinga uGod mfethu. Yabo nje uNkulunkulu mina ngiyabona
Okay,
ukuthi
summertime emlaze, part 2. Okay.
izobe gospel elfa.
Big gospel.
Vele facts ayinanhlambi original enanhlambi nale ayinanhlambi.
Oh.
Ayikho inhlamba la, ikhona inhlamba la. Khona uthi shit la.
Angazi.
Hayi ngathi awukho shit la.
Angikho sure.
Awukho shit la.
Angithembi kodwa mina.
Silokolodo kamu ayisuka inhlamba kule ngoma.
Uyangazi mina ukuthi ngisuka sekuvumele
Uzongiveza.
Kodwa ikhona ihora.
Ikhona ya
Ikhona odi ihora kodwa.
Ya ikhona into esabisayo. Kodwa akuyona inhlamba. Hayi inhlamba wothi. Isihluku.
Kodwa vele phela nokufa kwaJesu kwakuyisihluku so. Iyahambisana neBhayibheli vele.
Qinisile mfethu yabo nje
Ihora yonke vele.
this episode
vele kuzosinda ufuna ngesihlukweni.
yabo le episode izobuza ukuthi Zthini. Yeah, la celebrate. Shout out, yo, I want to send a special shout out to Bonko Meshente, who are a big part of this show. Shout out to Bonko Meshente. She said that to come so bonus him. Gwenzala na to come. Back to the summertime life, so people really love the first one, yeah, boy. Yeah. Hey, people really love the first one, bro. Fuck, bro. And some classic fucking shit on that shit, dog. Super slangy, entam je, abantabaning, open the safe, wow, dog. Grammys.
Super slide.
Super Sly. You can check out the video on YouTube. It's Super Sly. You can check out the video for Open the Safe on YouTube. James.
Genuine.
Ha. So it's a bring you okay. Dog. I love it. I'm proud of that video, bruh. Because I don't think what I'm so all over Bashama video that's so seven payment corner. It's got dying on the engine. La bana man gay. La bana.
Khona feature elapha ngeke engomeni kodwa feature in this video odosu mhlawumbe udlula sonke udleki nje ngomdosi nevelile nje ngomdosi.
Sure, but sponsored by all of them first.
Mina ke lo engafika nje ngokuzobheka
Cameo.
kuthiwa ha kusho Super Sly akangantile ganyo
When's the plan?
awangayidonsisi
Computer to kodwa phela vele bezilaphana bethu the whole project ain't first say bruh. It's a fucking classic, dog. Classic first time first. We appreciate the love. Shout out to everybody streaming, buying, doing the things. Sazoshanje it's like a Google campaign. Like a proper Google campaign, dog.
Now I'm a pizza LV la siqaleni summertime members too.
Continue. I get. Yo, LV. So mtshela mfethu ukusetho kam. Bese siqalile kodwa ngqondile ifact super no bra ngeke. It's only right that it goes into that project, bra. Ngibona ukuthi ayingeke bese yabo nje SE2 ngifuna ukuchama. Yabo nje ngifuna ube charming thini. Yabo nje bese yazi.
slow jams what
So, yabona nje manje facts manje makudlala facts ngiyabona ukuthi ha this is going to like take all the shine from all these other songs. But ibephindele ngoma thanke ngifaka isama sami emlazi vele ngizobe kuphila iproject yonke yabo manje ifacts ngiyabona ukuthi ayizothatha yonke iglory mfana uthi kodwa nje khona le ngoma uthi we saba sakunakonke lokuchama lokho vele bengithi ukuchama la uthi chefe sabona ngeke just no little track ba kodwa bona ngoma mfethu la ngoma ntoke yavele yangena ngavele ngayiskip ngaze ngafika lapha ngase ngafika kulibele ngiphindele ngisangilaleli yangoma mfethu sibonise we Shoot yonke into emva kwale ngoma ayisayaphi i-EP i-mixtape iphenduke i-EP
i-C2 yona iphuma nini
I don't know bro yabo I really don't want to rush it. It's such a nice brand and the last one is perfect, so that's the only pressure yabo I really don't want to rush it bro shit SA2 mfana kufanele be masterpiece dog angisho ukuthi sama-timelines ngeke masterpiece ziyasho izoba trap na but le way
ama-feature
yeah
nabona salibelwa drysel
ngadrysele bro ngizama ukubhala yonke into manje ngiyabona
okay so you're going to do it in steps first you record your parts and then you send out songs for features
originally I actually didn't want to do that. I just wanted to have all of the features record in one session and then record that shit and I'm actually going to stick to that plan so I'm going to record like a majority of my parts.
Sure. Oh, so the one studio session is just going to be for the features.
Yeah.
So you'll have all of the songs on the day and all of the artists in one studio session.
Mostly vocalists, bruh. Shout out to Kristen, Noxy, Yashna, Rhea, Lungelo. Yabona nje mfethu. Shout out to Unique.
No Celestial Mike, my vocalist.
Yeah, dog.
The vocalist straight.
So the strings are the same, mfethu. How Celestial. Twem. Khona ezinye imfihle lapha T-Bag. Shout out to T-Bag, Wobbly. All of our partners,
the whole camp.
Dope things going on with Cultured Sundays, bro.
Cultured Chaos, bro.
Cultured Chaos. I'm still gonna do the hoodies, bro.
Ngiyeza lapho ngesonto Cultured Sunday.
Yeah, mina ngizoqala ekerk. Bese
Cultured Sunday.
Sure, Cultured Sunday. It's a studio session. Got in T-Bag studio in morning side. Okay, I'm making a record. Kono low key, Lungelo, breezy, T-Bag, Wobbly, Fesu. Hey,
they've made 16 songs in 3 sessions.
First, so je got no nipo heard. I think Alvin be la pano hopefully it's amazing things going down first sazophila but December my friends December sama emlazi ngathi soyikhipha umhla ka-30 futhi so ipheke le nyanga siqede
matter of fact
kodwa soyiwaqazisa
matter of fact uqinisile kumele siqale yona manje
qondile bese ngomhla ka-30 we drop in summertime emlazi
exactly it's decided
let's decide bese solo so decide it's okay fine executive decision uNkulunkulu bafethu la kule podcast le reporting live again Radio DR shout out to Magic Don Juan he's my spiritual advisor advisor shout out to your uncle advisor ngiyamlandela ku Instagram fana ngencourage to be a better Christian fan engage
DM me advice
shout out to Fesu wonke umuntu wenza into right shout out to Radio DR shout out to Silo Deep Access Fesu shout out to Ray Black who's going to be doing a show on the 9th of November called the Black Magic Show ngimenyiwe I'm going to be there the conjunction is going to be there kahle ngicela umlazi Ray mhlawumbe unedlaje lokushina ngazi kodwa nje ngicela ilokish lapha fe secret, it's not a secret location anymore. It's announced you can actually still RSVP to Ivaloxas RSVP corner dog. However, ngibona location yakhona it's on Stamford ngase Windermere. No, that's the morning trade. Fuck. Just follow Rare, bro. Say keep it, but showcase. I got the email. I don't know if Sipumi in post, but I got it on my email. Lehlanu ziyasha so bese khona. Ngiphila shout out to Yeka Master mhlawumbe nami nginesponsor ngisasho namanje ngathi khona isponsor singilindile bese angazi sobona ngomhla ka Poheka Master dog
so mina nje. Usaneyitholo sonenganje.
Ayihlambe ngizobuya ibhodlela ngolesihlanu angazi ngizobhala apha i-email uthi anime noma ibhodlela aze lokushini seyolofa bafuna ukubona usibengiye ngampela yini bafuna i-souvenir angazi ngizokhuluma nohlapha i-deep access zobile laphana dog usilwe ngimbone ehleli no-aka aka orchestra band backstage sile bese radio TR deeply rooted deep access
cool.
Kapanda sort of baphila we're doing the right things the whole time. Shout out to Woko Mission. Angisho ke number vese phela that damn shit. Yeah, you roll it up. Roll it up. So yeah, holding it down. Summertime emla. Mina nje my personal favorite lapana. Oh fuck, bro! I can't say I have a personal favorite. I retreat, get remove let's statement. I can't say that shit. I can't.
Yeah, you personal favorites.
Our pants come soon and
Showcase.
me, my man, got a vibe. Well, Elvi fan featuring an ass in Tombia band. Lamarge.
Yeah, I am Lamarge. Oibo, he conspiracy.
Yeah, one of Ngizo edisa leyo phasi le nje asibo ayingeke ngizo edisa leyo phasi le tokamela we going to edit that out we going to we going to chop that up yeah kodwa nje no I'm lying bro I'm lying it has to be
You lying?
I'm lying no
Yo okay akuyona phela angeke ngisho ukuthi it's the apex but then now
he
it's
highlights
one of my favorites.
he highlights
I know it is one of my favorites. I just recently dropped it on a mix Afrofunk that we did in
AK and K-Lab
yeah
Fizz.
Sure
where are the mixes available bruh?
They're available online if you go on
Can't we get those mixes on Spotify?
No, you can't get them on Spotify. You can get them on Mixcloud.
Oh, Mixcloud.
Yeah, you can. It's a platform called Mixcloud. It's specifically for DJ mixes. Yeah, go on there and search for AK and K-Lab.
Wait, Nizwilex, sigo Mixcloud team, manje. Wait, mafethu, ngangishaya. AK and K-Lab is gonna be at the motherfucking Summertime Mlazi Shandi. Ibona executive produce. Kodwa mina, that's one of my favorite songs, lapana. I keep on thinking about it. But I'm trying to think of another one, and it keeps okay. I just wanna get late. I just wanna get late. Something like go matters 30 minutes. Yo, like, hey, boss, I what does this? It's sometimes yeah, what does this? You project say what does this one? First kanjan, rough kanjan, kamnandi kanjan. Gachel part 2 coming soon. Again, sponsored by all of Homa. Shout out to you.
November, Mlazi, Summertime Mlazi.
Yeah.
So it's launch Summertime Mlazi. Showcase.
Yeah. Sponsored by all of Yebo. Announcement. So we pay up school legs. So we pay. We got the usual suspects. 22 pages. Slow Earl, AK Che. You know what it is. LV. Fuck dog. Fuseke. Fusi rights. Who's feeling the vibe? Yeah. Shout out to Unoxi Melkia, shout out to Kristen, kunezinye secrets engiwapheka yeah December first nje get your bikinis ready, get your summer bodies ready nje first ziningi kodwa bese summer khona impahla Kwenye mpahla ya AK no-22 ngathi nayo izogcina izidwazile nje Mlazi. Sabe zobo track 1 gang. Zibe track 1 zibe zisha tokam zibe zisha nje track 1 bonke we sebeqalile. Yeah. Wescope. No. Let's go for Uyezu 2020. Mina ngithi manje so pheka manje so shama angazi so khona ama beats la sabeni. Shout out to Effected, shout out to 44 beats bantswempolo bra. This nigga did this. Yeah, no 44 did the original and they did this beat. Yeah. Yabo wasu wenza lento ayenzayo ngadlanga yazi nawo Tom Cruise uBrad Pitt wangakini yazi nawo Denzel Channel reporting live Ngakini, city to city, titty to titty. Shout out to Wonko Meshente. Reporting live. Shout out to Radio DR. So sponsored by all of. Shout out to Zelo. Zelo. It's far film. It's ngolesihlanu, bro. Serious Black Shandy's Fest. I think it's gonna be lit, bro. The conjunction is gonna be catering. I'm gonna be behind the scenes. Siyadla Ngakini. That's another shit I'm working on. Nje behind the scenes nje izinto eziright ezibhites nje South Africa noma nje noma ike sazoyihlepula nje vele. And shout out to Ulungelo, beautiful lovely chocolate mama young lady doing the cocktail drinks banban lapana. Shout out to Exclusive Drinks. Shout out to Jägermeister mfethu angazi.
Wazolungela abangaki man? You've probably mentioned 4 just in this one episode.
No, Ulungelo intombazana, Ulungelo Biela, CEO of Exclusive Drinks. Yeah, doing amazing things. Fan khona enye more baba qedwe kuyiseso we.
Is that the same Lungelo enenza nayo Summertime I'm Love?
No. Lo Lungelo now uNtswempu, check out live at the Charlatan yenza amasimba simfishe lesho desire. Away design live video concert shanga umhla ezo shama video noma u9. Khona lapho dog maningi ama video shota lapha na bra. And futhi
mina bengibiza lo Lungelo organizer naye event Summertime I'm Love.
Oh Prince una uzobe khona. Bonke Lungelo kwi phone book yami. Bazobela phana mfethu mhla ka-30 November Summertime I'm Love come through, sponsored by all over no Meshente. Yo dog, hey bro, mhlawumbe kuzobe khona iy'nkanti noma eziwu9 ey'hlukile. And I got backwoods, all types of flavors. Blueberry is my favorite, my blunt rappy, sponsored by all over, holding it down. Shout out to Silo, Radio DR. Shout out to my co-host Slow L, no AK, reporting live Ngakini, it's your boy Umche. Holla at me on Instagram at Umche. Holla at AK,
AKI. Holla at me at AK_911. 9 the number, 11 the word. Posish.
On Instagram. Vele Instagram so it's slow lot okay bazokufica ke.
Yeah, at slow L yonke indawo nje. Yabona ucabanga khona ngene ku YouTube noma iCape at slow L.
Nangakini.
Ufica mina ke.
Slow L mhlawumbe ukhipha ama video angazi mangakulonyato kangodwa inswembu bethi umgodi. Shout out to X, in fact he's already in the country. Sashibulika lapha eGoli. Holla at your boy.
Gogo in the background calling my ass.
Shout out to Gogo, sponsored by all over. Nama Antiza, holding it down. It's your boy Umcheba Fate. So follow us everywhere. Subscribe to Radio DR Ngakini.
Yeah. Imagine that movie crime scene yaphuma next year.
The movie crime scene yaphuma. Short film. You should film me up home.
Yeah, sick stick la.
She's lapho Tokam. Reporting live Ngakini it's your boy Umche Mocha.
Okay, sure. radiodr.co.za.
Understand?
Holla back, 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 holla report it, holla dog, holla Ngakini, holla holla back, when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, when them lies swear on the mat, yeah, holla back. I with a temperature proud to the party, woke up nuts fucked. We too deep out of the bucket, had people they thought we were nuts. I told them diversify, still got the same supply, but we got a new supply. JB intensify, heard copy on Spotify. Wait, there I go rapping about rap again. Let's bring it back to the people, man. Okay, wake up and thank, wake up and bake, wake up and thank God for the day. Back in the day, you know my struggle, you hate a day. Never gonna change, I'm lying, I'm praying for change. Pray for the weak, pray for the streets, pray for the peace. Work for the guap, they waiting for me. Pull up again, blow on my cheek, slice the tea, those on my seat. Artists in lounge, pull up a match. I'm over in silence, blowing it loud. The rumors are true, we the hottest right now. Holla back, when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, when he got swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back. Put it down, swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back.
Waphinde wabuya nonkotha umlazi kubeka on top ngiphosta ngidlela ihot dog ama-wings elokushini ngiyayifaka i-support ingane seyifuna ama-crook ama-kids abo-driver abafana be-uber ngithatha nokubheka kuyabhunja warula amabhunja asekhuluma inyukla vukuza ikasi ngilibeke emephini ngikutshela efacini mungizela ngobuqili ubovala ikhethini mawubona lo mjida ngakini uzobheda isizini usebula ividiyo ngabeba ama-crook akwadansa nedusha ngayifaka kwimida nabantu bancane buza kwezakho lokho kukodwa kuyakhawunta ngiyabala neminyaka iyahamba futhi u-oxoza ukukhafula itime akuphendula itrans impilo yestradi dala unakanye uzobhubha amabradi uzoguga isibhaxo uzenza uthazana uzodileka lapho mangishisa amahlathi quma ukhanjani mangibhala ama-runs bheka ilokishi kwi-google map usearch ungigabhela i-round enazi
back, put it God, swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back, put it God, swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back, put it God, swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back, put it God, swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back, put it God, swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back, put it God, swear on the mat, yeah, holla back, holla back, holla back, holla back, holla back. Holla back, holla back, holla back, holla back, holla back,
Yeah, holla back. Sfagi J-Sec on the map. Sfagi Bora Bora on the map. Put them last wonk on the map. Monga twali bati pumupet. Umutwelu katunga tsetegi sosi ngango baba la with Duffel bag. Duffel bag itwelu baba vet. Motherfucker, I'm as dope as that. Bars like a pure kilogram. Chris Tucker when I hear you rap. Rush hour when you make a track. Asiko lapo gota kululek. Kshaipa tu monga pumelel. Yeah, I said it. Holla back. Reporting live. Ngakini. NUZ. Where I'm at. Ailungi parila empagatin. Funi mali busuku nasemini. Funi ngane mngelu ufaka ushintsho. Funi white noma ufuna pink. Funi guide noma ufuna 6. Funi chrome noma ufuna nick. Funi bhatu noma ufuna mina. Mefuna mina angangithola. Picnic siyojol. Mhlanga beach siyokuphola. Slami singos nokuqonqa. Money talk siyambona. Mele ngizama ifraud for $1. Thola itenda noma elodwa. Thola udladla umoja. Thola ibenz ngiyoyiclock. Summertime siyoyithola. Campsite nevodka. Slala phansi amasosha. Counting stars in the dawn. So holla back when I'm on. All facts that's on. Can't relax on the song now. Trying to sell a plat, bring it home now. The whole team hitting home runs, working all week like Ngoja. All week but we're stronger. As a team Barcelona. Figure tina nshayikon. Ni offside niyayibona. VAR ungayithola but your time's up. Game over to 10-1 to izonja. U10 min uyangibona. Lionel Barcelona. Ngifike la ngathola free kick with your new pay ngayikora. 2 days ngamcross. VAR ungayithola but your time's up. Game over. Game on.